Today I'm making chili sambal crab. It's sweet, delicious and very tasty. With some Thai herb mixed in, this dish is perfect with some rice. This recipe is for 4 to 6 servings. The ingredients needed are 3 flower crabs washed and cleaned, 100 ml of tomato sauce, 2 eggs, 650 ml of water, 25 grams of dried guajillo chili, washed, cut and soaked until soft, 130 grams of yellow onions, chopped finely, 75 ml of diluted tamarind water, 70 grams of red chili, 3 cilantro roots, 3 cloves of garlic, peel, 1 stalk of lemongrass, 10 grams of ginger, 10 grams of galangal, 2 candlenuts, 100 grams of shallots, peel and wash, 20 grams of bird eye chili, cut into half for garnishing, 2 tablespoons of tapioca flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, half stalk of cilantro leaves, chopped, half stalk of spring onion, chopped, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 10 grams of dry shrimp, 10 grams of belacan or shrimp paste, and 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. The full list of ingredients is in the See More link. First, make the tapioca flour slurry. Add 75 ml of water to the tapioca flour and mix until well combined. Alright, set aside. Next, marinate the crabs. Sprinkle 1/3 of the salt over the crab and set aside. Then, cut the herbs into smaller pieces to fit the blender. Chop the ginger into smaller pieces. And the galangal. Slice the lemongrass stalk thinly as they are very fibrous. And chop the red chili into smaller chunks. Repeat for all the shallots and cilantro roots. Add all the chopped herbs into the blender, dry shrimp, belacan, and all the guajillo chili and the water for soaking. Cover the blender with its lid and blend all the ingredients for about 40 seconds until it becomes a fine sambal paste. Switch off the blender and set aside. Switch on the heat to medium. Pour all the cooking oil in the pan and let the oil to heat up. This takes about 1 minute. After about 1 minute, the oil is hot enough. Add all the chopped onions. Fry for about 2 minutes or until translucent and aromatic. After 2 minutes, the onions are very fragrant. Pour all the sambal paste into the pan. Stirring constantly at first until well combined. After all the oils and sambal paste is well combined, serve frequently to prevent burning at the bottom of the pan. Be careful of the splattering that can occur. After 10 minutes, the sambal paste gravy is dry and the consistency is thicker. Stir occasionally so that it doesn't burn. After about 15 minutes, the sambal paste is almost dry and it is very thick. Now we can add in the diluted tamarind water, fish sauce, sugar, 1/3 of the salt, and all the tomato sauce. Stir until they are well combined with the sambal paste and some of the liquid has evaporated. Then add the remaining of water and stir. The consistency will be quite runny. Add in the chilies and submerge the crab into the gravy. Cover the pot and bring it to a rolling boil. This will take about 3 to 4 minutes. After 3 minutes, the sambal gravy is boiling vigorously now. Stir the crab to evenly distribute the heat. Submerge the head shell into the gravy to cook them. Cover the pan and continue to simmer for another 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, it boils vigorously and all the crabs are cooked. Stir a little to distribute the heat. Give it a taste. Delicious! It has a good amount of crab essence in it. More seasoning can be added as preferred. So I will add in another 1/3 of the salt. Stir it a little. Then remove the crab from the pan and set them aside for now. We will thicken the gravy. Stir to get it into an even consistency. While stirring constantly, add the tapioca flour mix and the eggs. Sprinkle the chopped spring onion and cilantro. Stir to evenly distribute it. Give it another taste. It is not sour enough. I am adding about 3 tablespoons of tomato sauce. Give it a stir. Switch off the heat. Give it a taste. Alright, it's very delicious now. Add in the crab and mix them a little with the sambal gravy. Arrange them on a serving plate and pour the sambal gravy over all the crabs. Garnish with the rest of the spring onion and cilantro leaves. Now our sambal crab are ready to be served. Let's eat! Wow, super sweet. The crab is well cooked, plump and very fresh. The sambal gravy is delicious, thick, savory and not very spicy. It is very fragrant and very enjoyable. This dish will go so well with rice. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed this video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!